Mr. Speaker, what the judges have said is do it right. And reggae is back on. So all we need to do is go on in August and reggae is back.
And Honorable Speaker, again, the ruling in the Supreme Court also concur well with yours. It is a very good ruling. We thank the judges. BBI, the Handshake Brothers love you, but Kenyans hated you more. Rest in peace, BBI.
Because the Supreme Court decision appears to excite a number of members, especially those who do not understand the law, like Honorable Sankok. Allow me to inform the Honorable Sankok that contrary to his celebration, he should actually be mourning. Because out of 7 fundamental points, the Supreme Court allowed 5 grounds. Of fundamental importance is that it has set the stage for reggae to resume immediately after the elections.
This process, Mr. Speaker, from the onset, has been marred with a lot of unconstitutionality, Mr. Speaker. A lot of public funds have been spent through this process, Mr. Speaker. And also, the ruling today, Mr. Speaker, that the President is immune. Mr. Speaker, that does not also confer immunity to the many public servants who were engaged in this illegal and unconstitutional process, Mr. Speaker, like one PS of Interior who came out and told Kenyans that they are going to swallow this process like malaria queen.
The most dangerous concept that was raised in that process was the issue of the basic concept. If the courts had allowed basic concept structure, the basic structure concept or doctrine, Mr. Speaker, reggae would be as dead as a dodo. Because, Mr. Speaker, the basic structure concept says that it was actually equating the application or making the Constitution to be a Bible or the Quran that cannot be amended at all.
Hakuna mtu anaweza kwenda kusema tumeshinda ama tumeshindwa. Isa lawyers wamefanya kazi yao na maoni ni ya wananchi, na bado tunatarajia BBI itarudi na itakuwa tu sawa. Wenye wanataka kwenda kucherekea waenda cherekea tu kama kawaida. Kwa sababu kawaida wanacherekea kitu aina mguu, aina mbele na nyuma. Kwa hivyo waenda acherekea hizo, lakini BBI bado iko kwa laini.
But indeed we are very happy. And Baba has said that BBI will be back. Reggae will be back after Baba is sworn in as the fifth president of the Republic of Kenya.
But anyway, honourable members, many of you, of course, I'm sure would applaud the fact that it has now been settled. It is now tried law that what is contained in Article 255 with regard to which clauses may be amended in which way, and what is contained in 256 and 257 has been settled by the highest courts on the land, and that therefore the finding that the basic structure principle is not universally acceptable. It's only applied in a few jurisdictions. I think that is important. So, and indeed, that ruling agrees with some of the, if you recall, when members raised issues here, when that bill was here, our own ruling here, with regard to the power of the House, the power of any member to move amendments. I mean, this has been restated, and I think it's good for the country. For me, I think that is important. And also the issue about immunity. The issue of immunity, I think, was, for me, those two issues were very crucial. The rest are the usual things that we can do, and the member for Suba North said they can be dealt with at an appropriate time.